When you arrive in our corner of the world, you'll notice something right away. We're everywhere. The past 20 years of hard work and strong values have helped us grow into the nation's leading modern stair and railing company. Our first customers were builders in a bind, who needed stair parts that matched the beauty of their customers' homes. Today, we provide builders and remodelers with the market's first custom-engineered, fully integrated modern stair and railing system, delivered and installed nationwide. Our new product innovations and stunning designs continue to make waves, with bold geometry and lush finishes illuminated by the industry's most advanced and seamless LED integration. Our product is stunning and our operation is advanced, but our success comes from making the process simple for homeowners, builders, and our employees. No matter what business you're in, the last couple years have tested your mettle. At Viewrail, we turned uncertainty into opportunity. Taking control of our supply chain has allowed us to maintain aggressive lead times and maximize our 350 employees and 350,000 square feet of manufacturing space. The potential is endless, and we think it's fair to say we're just getting started. Viewrail. Designed, delivered, done.